Kids, where we believe that drawing should be fun and it should be easy. And with a few lines, circles, and squares, you can draw anything. And we're gonna walk you through a series of drawings. But today we have a very special drawing that we're gonna do. This was a request from Remy before the last show. So what are we gonna draw, Remy?
Santa
Claus! So this one is gonna be fun. This one's gonna be fun. I already have one drawn out. And what I wanna do is kind of walk you through what I see. So when we start drawing our own Santa Claus, we have a framework to do the basic shapes, and that takes the fast time, right, Remy? So for today's project, we're gonna need a pencil. You have your pencil? You're gonna need a marker, and then we're gonna have some color markers, and
an eraser.
we need an eraser to remove all our sketch lines. So I like to sketch it out first with a really light pencil mark, so we know where everything falls in, and then we come back and add detail. So before we do that, Remy, let's do this. Let's look at this Santa drawing that we have right here. And what do we see? What's the basic shape of his head? You see an oval, so a circle. And then we have his belly, and the belly is not a square, it's a
oval.
So we have two circles that line out our Santa Claus. Where else do you see a circle here? We got the circle here, and then we got a big circle right here, and then on his hand.
Actually, this is a big circle. This is a short circle.
Yep.
This is
A smaller circle.
This is a stretched out circle.
So that's essentially what we're looking. When I initially see this drawing, I look to see what do I have to sketch out to make sure it's in proportion. So I see a couple of circles, and then the details will fall in line. So this is what we're gonna draw. I'm gonna put this right here as a reference, and Remy's gonna follow me along. So before I draw anything, what's the first thing we do, Remy? We put a top and the bottom, right? Then we put a line in the middle. And then, the bottom. We put a line in the middle. So we have, right here, we have basically the shape or the outline of what we have. So between these lines, we're gonna put a big circle right there. That's gonna be essentially our head. The next big circle, you can make this as big as you want. That's gonna be Santa's belly. And this is where he laughs and laughs and laughs, right? And then down here we have his feet. So I have kind of like a little triangle down here to where his feet are. So we got the middle line, a triangle. All right, then we have two circles. Look it up here, Remy. Look what I'm drawing. Two circles up here. And this tells us that this is where his arm and his hand go.
I'm gonna put it right here.
You're gonna put his hands down at the bottom? Oh, one on top, one on the bottom.
He's waving.
Oh, he's doing this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the hands, we have the legs, we have his belly, we have his head. So now we can start drawing the details. Remy, don't get too far ahead of me. I know you like to draw fast, but you want to follow what I'm doing, okay? Okay. So we split his head in the middle, and right where we do this crosshair is where we put his big nose. Santa has a big nose because he always has a cold in Alaska. And on top of that, we will get the middle here. And this is his funny mustache. Santa Claus has a funny mustache. So we have the mustache, we have his nose. Then we need a huge white beard. See how my white beard goes, Remy? It goes all the way down to his belly. Yep. Oh, that looks good. Bring it to the top. Awesome. So down here, Remy, Santa Claus has to wear a big belt around his waist. And what's in the middle here? There is a square right in the middle. What is that? Is that the buckle for his belt?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the buckle for his belt. And then underneath that is the bottom of his coat. So we come around here. See how mine looks, Remy? So we have the belt, we have the bottom of his coat, and we have the buckle in the middle. And it's okay if the beard goes over the belt. Sometimes the beard gets pretty long. And your Santa looks a little different than mine, and that's way okay. So, and look down here at me. Under his nose, we're gonna do like a little circle here. Those are his lips. They're underneath that mustache and then that beard. See right here? See, this is where the beard mustache is, and where's where the beard goes. So now we have the lips, and Santa has a hat on, so we want to, in the shape of the top of the circle, we're going to make, look at my hat, Remy. Look how I made my hat. Look at see how I followed the shape of the circle, Remy? Mm-hmm. Look at me. So when you're drawing, you want to make sure you keep looking at the subject that you're drawing. Always look at what you're drawing. So this is the top of the circle. And then Santa has some big cheeks. So we're going to put Santa's cheeks right here. And then his eyes go right on top of that. And you're drawing his hat going that way. I'm going to draw his hat going the other way.
Fuzzy pom-pom.
And then he's got a fuzzy pom-pom back here. So Santa lives in the North Pole, so he wears mittens. So this is the way my mittens look, Remy. You got a thumb, and then just the hand up here. Then he has some white fuzzies down there, and that covers. Okay. So let me do the second one. You already did yours. Okay, so we have 2 arms, 2 hands, mutton, and now Santa wears black boots. So I just like to draw these big old boots down here that Santa's gonna wear. And these, you can do whatever you want here, but I just do like some big round boots because remember, he comes from where it's cold. So he has to stay warm. And there we have our drawing.
Not done.
You're not done? You're catching up?
You're so fast.
Who's fast? You're fast. All right, we have the belt, we have the bottom of the coat, we have the beard, we have the mustache, we have the gloves. So what do we need now? We need to outline it with
marker.
A marker. Oh, cool.
You mean Sharpie?
A Sharpie or the marker. So I always like to start with the nose, just so I know I've at least got that done and centered. And then I come back and start working from there. So we got a big mustache. And the fact that you sketched it out, all you got to do is really just follow your lines that you did, and that will get you to where you want. Remy, I've got a question for you. Would you rather help Santa Claus hand out Christmas presents or work in the workshop and help the elves make the presents?
Deliver presents with Santa.
Deliver the presents? You wouldn't be scared riding in the sleigh? No?
No.
No? You'd be having fun?
I'll be like this. Because you're so naughty.
You got the mouth here.
And now for his sleeve. I'm almost done.
You are. You're working fast.
Oh. Look, I'm gonna give him this thing.
You're gonna give him a what?
No, you'll be business. What am I forgetting?
What are we missing, Remy? So we have it all inked out. Yours looks really good, Remy. What do I see here? I see a circle and another circle. I see the mittens have circles. I see his belt and his legs. Very cool. Remy, fun fact for you. Did you know Santa Claus' favorite cookie is chocolate chip
with extra sprinkles.
And sprinkles. So when you leave him a cookie, if you leave him extra sprinkles, you make him happy. And then when you leave his milk, did you know if you leave a little extra cinnamon on it, he likes that better than just regular milk. That cool? So now you know, fun fact when you're getting ready for Santa. So before we add color, we're going to erase it. Get all the sketch marks.
For it can't be so crazy.
Yeah, sometimes these sketch marks get wild. But with a good eraser, it takes a few seconds to erase it. And now you have a clean drawing, and it almost looks like a coloring book, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And now we take our colors.
Hey, you're not ready yet.
You're not ready yet? I thought you were faster than me. And with the magic of Hollywood, we are going to take a few minutes to color this with our markers. And when we get back, you're going to see, yeah, we're going to need a lot of minutes. So we're going to speed this up like 1,000,000%. And you're going to see what it looks like when we have a finished product.
We're going to do a fast forward.
So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, then, let's start drawing. All right, now that we swept it up, we are just about done, except for one last thing that we got to do. What's that thing? We got to sign it. We got to let people know that we're done with it. Once you sign it, essentially you're saying you're done and you're the artist that created that. And you can create your own signature. Remy added a heart to her signature, which I like. So we have now a completed Santa Claus. I hope you followed along. I'd love to see what you draw. If you want to send us some messages. And what else do we want to remind them, Remy? Make sure that they subscribe. We want to make sure that you follows along. We have some other drawings coming along that I think you're going to have fun watching with us. So for the Color Factory kids, I think we are done. Thank you. Have a great time, and we'll see you next time. Be kind.
Bye.